Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable judges, on this occasion, I would like to begin with a question. Have we ever considered what this country would be like if it were led by someone suffering from stunting, simply due to inadequate nutritional intake? However, before proceeding, please allow me to introduce myself. I am Faiza Fatihjana from the Food Service Industry Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. I will deliver a persuasive speech about SDGs number 2, which is Zero Hunger. According to the Ministry of State Apparatus Empowerment and Bureaucratic Reform, the stunting rate is projected to decrease from 20.1% to 19.8% by 2025, a reduction of approximately 2.7%. This figure is still far from the final target of 14.2% by 2029. The 2026 target aims to reduce the rate from 19.8% to 18.8%, a decrease of about 1.2%. The government efforts are not insignificant, but they remain insufficient and have not been effectively communicated. Therefore, as students, we must take initiative to support government programs. It is crucial for us to collectively understand that stunting is not merely about short stature. It also impacts the first, difficult concentrating, which result in low human resource competitiveness. Second, a weakened immune system, making individuals more susceptible to illness. And the last, a high risk of chronic disease in the future. The government has actually allocated a substantial budget to address this issue, such as providing additional food for pregnant women, children, and adults. However, the problem on the ground is that people are still reluctant to consume the food provided due to that's the consideration, especially children, who tend to be picky eaters. As students, we are bridges of communication. Our peers from the health program can educate those from the economic program can help ensure access to affordable food. And I, from the Food Service Industry Study Program, strives to create innovative nutrition food that are both delicious and appealing. If we collaborate, we can solve this reluctance to eat through creativity. Ladies and gentlemen, stunting is not just the responsibility of healthcare workers, but the responsibility of all of us as young people. A 1% reduction by 2026 is not merely a number on paper, but a hope for thousands of Indonesian children to grow up smart and healthy. Let's make SDGs number 2 not just a slogan, but real action, because the future of our nation begins with what's on our children's plates today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.